Hi first graders, today we're working on lesson 7.8, equal shares. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to need your math workbook page 305. You're going to need to cut out the shapes that you see, and I want you to try to fold them into halves as many different ways as you can. So in real life, you can think about halves as like maybe there's a chocolate chip cookie that you have to share with your sister or brother, and mom says, just split it in half, okay? That means an equal part for you and an equal part for your brother or sister. So that means there's going to be 2 parts if you're cutting something in half, okay? So I want you to go ahead and try that, and then play the video when you're finished. All right, so we talked about what is a half. When you have something, it's got this tricky L in there, like you want to have it. So I'll show you a couple different ways and see if that's what you came up with as well. You know, my lines are not going to be perfect and my halves won't be perfect, so please just be forgiving on that. Okay, so there's one way you could have it. You could have it like this. You could have it like this. Okay, that's your first one. Now we'll go on to the square. Same situation pretty much, down the middle, left to right, corner to corner. Great, these are equal shares. They are cut in half. All right, now we got our circle. Now for a circle, there's like many ways you would cut it in half. But I'll just show you a few. Okay, then basically any form of diagonal, you can cut it in half. Okay, so now we're going to talk about cutting things into fourths. So before, when we were just working on cutting something into half, we had 2 equal shares. Okay, now we're going to make 4 equal shares, and 4 equal shares is called fourths. It can also be called quarters. Okay, so I want you to think right now, how would you cut these squares into fourths? Maybe you want to draw one on a piece of paper, something, come up with a few ideas before I show you. All right, friends, here's a few examples of making these squares into fourths. Now, again, forgive me, these are not perfect, okay, but you can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sections in each square. We split them up different ways. And we're going to repeat this activity for the rectangles. So now if you would want to draw a few rectangles on your piece of paper and split these up 4 different ways. Very similar to the last one, we have, you can split it from the top down, from left to right, and into kind of like the cross pattern. You have 4 equal parts in each rectangle. Last, we have circles. Okay, and in circles, you can split these up many different ways like we talked about last time. Go ahead and split your circles up into fourths, 4 equal parts. And we made our circles into fourths. You can see a couple different ways shown here. I always think of circles like a big pizza pie or a giant cookie or something delicious, and you're going to share it with 4 friends. And we'll kind of be doing something like that in our workbook today. But first, if you could turn to 307, we are going to draw lines to show halves and then color 1 half of the shape for numbers 1 through 4. So I want you to go ahead and try that. Draw a line to cut these shapes into half, okay, into a half, and then you're going to color in 1 half of the shape. Right, I cut mine in half. I'm going to color in 1 half of the shape, And friends, there's many different ways that you can split these in half. So if yours doesn't look just like mine, that's okay. And I bet your coloring can be better than mine too. Okay, so we're coloring 1/2 of the shape. Great. Now for 5, 6, 7, and 8, we are going to be drawing lines to show fourths. So that means 4 equal parts. And then you're only going to color in 1/4 of the shape. Why don't you go ahead and try that and then play the video? All right, got them split up into fourths, 4 equal parts. And now we have to color in 1/4 of the shape. So color in 1 out of 4. Okay. There's 1. Here's 1/4. Here's 1/4. And here's 1/4. Good. Great job on that. Okay, last activity that we have for today is the back side of this workbook page. We have some story problems related to halves and fourths and equal shares. So 4 friends want to share a sandwich. How can they cut the sandwich into 4 equal shares? Draw lines, color each share a different color. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is draw lines to make 4 equal shares. Go ahead and try it. Okay, we have our lines in 4 equal shares. Now we have to make each share a different color. So maybe we color this part red, and you guys can color in the whole thing, right? And then 1 share would be green. 1 share would be blue. 1 share would be purple. Okay, whatever colors you have at home. Good job. Let's try another one. Number 10, the 4 friends want to share a pie for dessert. Good for them, yum. How can they cut the pie into 4 equal shares? Okay, so same thing, we want 4 pieces of pie, and they all have to be equal, right? Because if I got a bigger piece than you wouldn't be too happy about that. So they have to be 4 equal shares. And then we're going to color each share a different color, just like we did last time. Let's give it a shot. Okay, we got our 4 pieces of pie, and now each share will be a different color. Okay, and you guys can do that part. Each share will be a different color. Good. Okay. Number 11, one friend only wants 1/2 of her granola bar. How can she cut her granola bar into halves? Draw a line to show 2 equal shares. Color each share a different color. So we only need 2 equal shares this time. Okay, we're going to cut this granola bar in half. There we go. 1/2 for the friend and 1/2 for the other friend. And we got to color each share a different color, just like we've been doing. Okay, this side is one color, and this side is another color. Excellent work with halves and fourths today, friends. Let's do path to fluency. Let's do 1, 2, and 3. Some easy peasy subtraction for you. And then down here for check for understanding, draw me 2 circles. In one circle, you're going to show 2 equal shares. In the other circle, you're going to draw 4 equal shares. Okay? Thanks very much for your hard work today, friends. Talk to you tomorrow.